we're asking you all to join us in helping to paint a picture of what it looks like to have community leadership for the City of Portland when it comes to climate action. How do we ensure that people understand the opportunities the City of Portland has to take action on climate change?
Tonight we're asking you, all of you who showed up, to contribute to the vision of this future commission. This is a really big charge that we're all working towards together because, as you know, climate touches everything.
Portlanders have increasingly experienced, record-shattering heat, wildfires across the state, more frequent flooding, and also other extreme climate events. And these have very real-life implications on Portlanders and on Oregonians.
For many years, the City of Portland had a Planning and Sustainability Commission, and that was really important because when that commission was formed, our Planning Commission was very strong and had state leadership and state guidance on why it existed. But over time, our sustainability work and scope really grew, and it was really unfair to ask one commission to handle all of our land use and all of our sustainability and climate issues for one volunteer body. So under the leadership of Commissioner Rubio, we set on the course of splitting the commissions into two. The Planning Commission took shape first because it's a state-governed entity, so it was really easy for us to stand that up. But more importantly, the Climate Commission, this is a chance for us to create something different, a new model for how we get shared co-creation for new policies for the City of Portland. And I mean that sincerely in that we get to create that. City Council gave us direction in January of this year to set forth on a path to understand what is the mechanism for climate action for the City of Portland going forward.
We changed the scope of Planning and Sustainability Commission for a lot of reasons, but one of the most important reasons being about the critical need to get focused and also to invest targeted resources into climate action to ensure the city business changes its culture so that we are always considering the impact on climate when we make any policy decisions. We want to work to make sure that we are lifting up those that are disproportionately impacted first, want to make sure that voices are a part of the solution and that community is at the center when we're talking about plans moving forward.
I've also assembled a work group of some pretty amazing folks, some individuals with expertise that will inform the creation of sustainability and climate commissions. So these individuals have a lot of expertise and are be contributing and working alongside all of us, all the visions and ideas and headlines that we want to see as a result of our work to produce what's going to be the new Climate and Sustainability Commission.
We have a new City Council taking shape in January of 2025, and we hope to have this body up and running so that when they take office, they'll have voices to listen to about what's next for our climate journey.
So this new Sustainability and Climate Commission will serve as the key accountability body for all sustainability and climate city business. And it will bridge the policy work that exists right now on boards and commissions among elected officials, staff, and the community, both internal to the city and also among our many partners.
Commissioners may be seated as early as April of next year. And so what we're going to be doing as staff from here on out is to be taking all of your input and ideas and synthesizing that and then putting it into a proposal for public comment that we'll be bringing in front of our decision makers for consideration by the end of this calendar year.
So with your continued engagement and support, this commission will ensure that the matters of climate and sustainability are treated with the urgency and importance that we all need and that this issue deserves. So I'm eager for our work to begin together, and I'm thrilled that we're at this place tonight to start building the road ahead.